Code Military, and in this video I will tell you a very important thing, that is how you can push anything to GitHub. Yeah, and it is I will explain you in a very easy manner. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my channel, The Code Military, yet, please subscribe it. It contains a lot of videos on latest projects for your resume, and also it contains interview experiences of many service-based companies like Nagairo, Wipro, Infosys, and all other. You can find it very different projects of Angular, like Block project, and some projects from 3.js and React.js. So without wasting any time, let's move to the agenda of this video. So agenda of this video is to tell you how to upload, how to push your file to GitHub. Okay, so just you what you need to first, you need to sign in into your GitHub account, or if you don't have a GitHub account, then please create a one. And I will create here a repository, a new repository. Okay, so repository name, let's say demo. Okay, and once it is available, you can create, let it be public. So I created a repository here, and the moment you click on the create repository, right? So after creating repository, you see bunch of commands here for cloning the repository, right? So we come to our file explorer, and we create a folder here. Let's say new folder, and in this folder we will make all the things that we want to upload. So I will name it as a git demo, and inside this, let us go, and inside this, let us create a text file uh, for demo. Okay, so I will write it demo.txt. Okay, so now I will tell you how to push to GitHub. It is very easy. Just open your command prompt here, right? So just put on the space bar, click on the space bar, and write cmt. Cmt will be open, and you need to write git init, right? You just need to write git init, and there will be a empty git, initialized empty git repository, right? There will be a dot git file here, and then you need to do is to git git remote add origin. And what you need to do is to just copy and paste this link, right? Git remote add origin, you just need to copy this link, right? So just paste it here, and the moment you press enter, then what you will see that it is added, remote origin is added. And then what you can do, you just need to take all the files. Like, what are the files here? The file is demo.txt. Okay, so if you want demo.txt to be pushed, then you can use that. Otherwise, if you want all the files to be pushed at once, you can use git add dot. In the place of dot, you can also write demo.txt, demo.text, or any other file. Okay, so you can mention it. And if you want all the files to be pushed, then you can put dot here and then press enter. Okay, and then you need to add a commit message to git commit. Okay, git commit minus m, and you can put a message here. Let me say demo push, and press enter. Okay, you can see one file change, and then you need to do git push origin master, right? Just press enter, and then you will see the file will be pushed to okay, so you can see the new branch master, and the file is pushed to the git dot demo dot git. Okay, just go back to your repository, and now if you refresh it, right, just refresh it. Now you can see there is a demo.txt, and inside it there is nothing, but just we made a demo.txt. So you can see the demo.txt. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video till end. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.